to the Pacific Ocean. I hope everybody enjoys.
Alright, well hello YouTube. I think that I'm having some camera problems, but I will get them sorted out next time I stop. But it is a beautiful day here in the Pacific Northwest as I'm riding along the Columbia River here. And what I am doing today is I am going to head down to the Oregon coast in the Pacific Ocean. I have the drone with me, as you probably saw in the intro. It's a beautiful day. It's warming up. It was cold when I left this morning, but it is warming up. It's supposed to get up into the mid-60s, which this time of year is just unbelievable, and I am super stoked to be on the bike. So we're just going to get some riding done. Next time I stop, I'm going to get the camera sorted out, so when we actually do get to the ocean and the pretty stuff, you can all see it then. So here we are on the Pacific Coast Highway, which is US 101 through here. It is 101 almost all the way down the coast, other than the Big Sur cutoff. So we're not quite to the ocean yet, but we're getting dang close. This is one of the bays that leads out to the ocean. So I kind of came a long way because I had some other stuff to do this morning and visit somebody on the way. So I actually came over on the Washington side of the Columbia River and am coming over to the ocean, and then I'm going to go down the coast and then back into Portland from there. So an interesting thing that I have noticed from my YouTube stats about people watching my channel is that when I talk, people tend to fast forward, and when I just play music and do the riding bits, more people stay and watch it. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to think of that. I don't know what it says about me if every time I talk I get turned off, but what can you do? You do what works. So on this one, I'm going to try to get a good bit of footage and some beautiful stuff. The coastline, when I get to the Oregon side, is spectacular. It's really pretty, and I will definitely make some stops and get some pictures. I'm running a little later than I wanted to, so I don't really want to be riding too much of the way back in the dark. I'm okay if I get back to the Portland area and I'm riding the lit freeway for the last hour getting home, but out going through the forest I'd rather not if I don't have to. But we'll see how the timing works out. We'll see what we can get. But for now, just enjoy some more riding, since that's what everybody seems to want. are. This bridge is crossing the mouth of the Columbia River where it meets the bay and then out to the ocean right there. This is a very, very long bridge, as you can see. But it's got a good view. It's not super windy today. This bridge is not a lot of fun when the wind is howling off the ocean. The guy can ride one-handed, as you can see today, not having to worry about it, which is good. It might be a little too windy to put the drone up. I don't know. I'll find out when I stop somewhere. But it's not too windy to ride a motorcycle. Over there, you can just get a glimpse of the Pacific right there. But don't worry, it's getting a little overcast. The sun's kind of gone away, and so it's getting a little chilly. But I have gotten past all of the traffic along a couple of the big coast towns that I had to go through. So I will get to a scenic pull-off, and we will take a look at the coast.
We have made it to the Pacific Ocean. So if you're wondering, just that way is Japan and down that way is Australia. It's getting cold, it's getting a little blustery, it's way too windy for me to be able to put the drone up out here. So this is all you're gonna get, but it's not a bad day out here. We made it, that's the Pacific Ocean.
Well, everybody, thanks for sticking with me to this point. So I did this one a little bit differently. I shut up. We'll see how it works. We'll see if you guys watch more of this or not. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm okay with it if you say don't talk, just throw some music up and ride pretty places. I'm okay with that. I get it. If you didn't like this one so much and you prefer me doing more of a normal vlog, feel free to let me know. And as always, if you enjoyed it, a thumbs up is always nice. But until next time, it's Dewey out.